Hello dear students. In the previous video we had discussed about Boolean algebra and some of the important properties of Boolean algebra which are used to solve or simplify the Boolean expression. Here is one more theorem, that is DeMorgan's theorem, which is also very helpful in the simplification of Boolean expressions. So let us start with the suggested equations of DeMorgan's theorem which are helpful for the simplification of. So let's start with DeMorgan's theorem. De Morgan suggested two theorems that form an important part of Boolean algebra, and that equations are: first one equation is a b full complement is equal to a complement plus b complement. That means if we have a AND operation between two variables a and b of the multiplication of both the input variables, then we can convert that value into complement of separate input of each, and then we can add both the input signals. Now let us check this theorem with the help of truth table of the theorem. First one input a, second one input is b, then we get the multiplication of a and b. Now if we take a complement of a and b, then we get ab full complement with the help of NOT operation. A dot b complement is the LHS of the first theorem. So let us check. If we have two inputs, then number of possible combinations are 4. First one combination is 0 0. So multiplication of 0 0 is equal to 0 and complement of 0 0 is equal to 1. Second one combination, that is 0 1. The multiplication of 0.1 is equal to 0 and the complement of 0 is equal to 1. Third one combination is 1.0. So the multiplication is 0 and complement of 0 is equal to 1. Last one combination, that is 1 1. The multiplication of a and b is equal to 1. Complement of 1 is equal to 0. So here is the first LHS of the theorem. Okay. Now if we want to check a RHS, then we can check the RHS value if we have a complement, b complement and a complement plus b complement. Okay, if we have the values of a complement, b complement, a complement plus b complement, then first one combination, that is 0 0, the complement of a is equal to 1, complement of b is equal to 1, and if we add a complement plus b complement, then we get final answer is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. In the binary number system, we have 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so second one input is 0 1. Then the complement of 0 is equal to 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. And we add both the signal, then we get output 1. Third one combination, that is 1 0, complement of 1 is equal to 0 and complement of 0 is equal to 1. And if we add both the inputs, then we get output 1. Last one, that is 1 1 combination, and the complement of 1 1 is equal to 0 0, and if we add 0 plus 0, then we get 0. Here is the RHS of the first theorem, and if you compare both the LHS and RHS, then both are same. So we can write that a b complement is equal to a complement plus b complement. Clear? So this is the first theorem of De Morgan's. The second one DeMorgan's theorem is given as a plus b full complement, and if you divide, then it will convert as a bar dot b bar. Okay, now let us check with the help of truth table if LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay, so first we need two input a and b, then we have to add both the input and then we take one complement of a plus b. So if we have two inputs, then we have 4 possible combinations. For example, first one is 0 0. then we get addition of 0 0 is equal to 0 and combination is 1. Second one, that is 0 1, then addition of 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. 1 0, then we get addition 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. Last one, that is 1 1. If we add both the signal, then we have output 1, and if we take a complement of 1, then it will give you a 0 output. Here is the LHS of the equation. Okay, for RHS of the equation, we have A value of B, A complement value of B complement, and multiplication of A bar dot B bar. Okay, so the combinations are 0 0, then complement of 0 0 is 1 1, and multiplication of 1 1 is equal to 1. Second one, that is 0 1, complement of 0 is equal to 1 and complement of 1 is equal to 0. If we multiply both of 0 and 1, then output is 0. Next one, that is 1 0, complement is 0 1 and the multiplication is 0. Last one, combination, that is 1 1, complement of 1 1 is 0 0 and multiplication is 0 0. Here is the RHS of the Boolean of the DeMorgan's theorem, and if you compare both the RHS and LHS, then you can write that A plus B complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. This is the DeMorgan's theorem, which are most important or helpful to simplify most of the Boolean expressions. Okay, one more theorem is there, and that theorem is known as a duality theorem. Duality theorem says that you can, if you have a Boolean relation or function or expression or equation, then you can convert that first Boolean equation into second form of Boolean equation by first thing, by changing or sign or operator to an and sign or and operator. If you have a or sign in the Boolean equation, that is plus sign, then convert into a and sign, that is dot or multiplication. Second thing, that is you have to change an and sign from the Boolean equation to an or sign. That means if you have dot sign in the first equation, then you have to change with or sign, that is plus sign. And third one, that is the complementing of any zeros or ones, take an complement of 0 and 1. Okay, in the first equation, if you have or sign, then convert into and sign. If you have and sign, then convert into or sign. And if you have a 0 or 1 in the given Boolean equation in the form of constant, then take and complement of that constants. Okay, for example, if you have the Boolean equation like A plus A bar is equal to 1. If you have one Boolean equation like A plus A bar is equal to 1, then from the duality theorem, convert or sign into and sign. That means if we have one or sign, that is addition, then convert into a dot sign. Okay, so first we will convert this plus sign with dot. Second thing, that is if you have an and sign, then convert into or sign, but we don't have any or sign in the equation, and sign in the equation. And the last one point, that is if you have a 0 or 1 constant, then take an complement. We have one constant, that is 1, and if you have take a complement of 1, then you get answer 0. That means this equation can be written as the second form of the equation is equal to A plus replaced by dot and A complement as it is equal to, we have one constant, that is 1, take an complement of 1, then we get answer 0. So second form of the equation is equal to a dot b is equal to 0. The first form of a plus a bar is equal to 1 and it is equivalent to a dot a bar is equal to 0. Okay, this both the Boolean expressions are similar. Clear? So with the help of duality theorem, you can simplify your Boolean expression easily. Thank you.